Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Compiling and Running Python Programs in Ubuntu. Introduction. Ubuntu is a popular Linux distribution widely used for software development. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of compiling and running Python programs on Ubuntu. While Python is an interpreted language, the term compiling here refers to preparing the code for execution. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install Python. Most versions of Ubuntu come with Python pre-installed. However, to ensure you have the latest version, you can install it using the following command. Step 2. Write your Python program. Use your preferred text editor to write a simple Python program. Let's create a basic hello.py program as an example. Save the file. Step 3. Open terminal. Open a terminal by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T or searching for terminal in the Ubuntu application launcher. Step 4. Navigate to the directory. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory where your Python program is saved. For example, replace path /to /your /directory with the actual path to your program. Step 5. Compile and run Python program. In Python, there is no separate compilation step like in languages such as C or Java. You can directly run the Python script. In the terminal, run the following command. Replace hello.py with the name of your Python file. You should see the output. Congratulations! You have successfully compiled and run a Python program on Ubuntu. Optional, virtual environment, recommended for larger projects. For larger projects, consider using a virtual environment to manage dependencies. Install virtualenv using. Create a virtual environment. Activate the virtual environment. Now, install dependencies and run your Python program within the virtual environment. Conclusion. You've learned the basics of compiling and running Python programs on Ubuntu. Feel free to explore more advanced topics such as package management and virtual environments as you progress in your Python development journey. ChatGPT.